Good morning, YouTube. I haven't got on here so long and did a video, but I just wanted to come on here really quick and say this. Y'all need to start holding people accountable. Just because you like a person, don't let that blind you from the truth. When you test the fruit, you need to be looking for defects in their fruit. It's a lot of people on this platform that are followers of men and fans of Christ. That is absolutely dangerous. Stop being up a person's tail so much because you like them. You need to hold your leader accountable. Don't be so stuck on, well, that's my person and I know they hear from the Lord. That's where you mess up at. Because see, a lot of people got soul ties or intertwined with people that have open doors. If you see your brother, your sister, your pastor, your preacher, your leader in fault, and you don't call them out, the spirit inside of you is gonna be intertwined with the spirit inside of them, and you're gonna be blinded from the truth. Hold these people accountable. Stop being followers of men and fans of Christ.